to get it in focus. So that's okay. You're on it now.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
And then there's some more on the right here. See, that's
Yeah.
the one on the right over here is not an ibis, so it's a snowy white egret. And the little one in front then with the longer bill.
There's somebody
ibis.
coming right up to us. Hi guys. Wow. There's a little guy poking in. Look at. Yeah, he's still got it out here. That's his fish story. It was this long. Wow. Check that out. Okay, the Star Wars sound effects is almost going with this guy trying to eat this fish.